Digital evidence is changing the way we handle divorce cases in Texas. Hi, I'm Sean Palmer, and I've been litigating difficult divorce cases for over 20 years. Most people think that when they delete a text, an email, or a file from a computer, it's gone forever. In reality, those fragments often remain, and with the right forensic process, they can be recovered and presented in court. Why does this matter in a divorce? Let me give you a few examples. In one recent case, a spouse claimed that there were no additional bank accounts beyond the ones that were disclosed in discovery. A forensic review of a laptop turned up deleted spreadsheets showing that transfers were made to a hidden account, and that changed the entire division of property. In another case, one parent insisted that they had not been disparaging the other parent to the children, but deleted text threads told a very different story, and those messages became critical in the custody evaluation. Sometimes it's not about what was said, but when. For example, a client once needed to establish that a financial account was opened before the marriage rather than during the marriage, but metadata, the invisible timestamps inside the digital files, settled the question in a way that testimony never could. Texas courts are open to this kind of evidence, but only if it's handled correctly. That means maintaining a clear chain of custody, authenticating the data, and showing the courts that the material is relevant. Done improperly, digital evidence can be thrown out just as quickly as it was found. The takeaway is simple. In high-stakes divorces, particularly those involving substantial assets or contested custody, digital forensics can be the difference between suspicion and proof. It's not about spying or overreaching. It's about presenting accurate information to the court in a way that meets the rules of evidence. As divorce lawyers in Texas, we see daily how technology intersects with human relationships. Deleted does not always mean gone, and hidden does not always mean undiscoverable. In the right case, the digital record can tell the story that no witness ever could. If you're involved in a high-stakes divorce where forensic review of electronic data may make the difference, then make sure you hire a lawyer with experience in obtaining and handling such evidence. If you have any questions about this topic, please visit us at www.thepalmerlawfirm.com. Remember, at the Palmer Law Firm, we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.